Welcome back to another comprehensible input vlog in my old style. These are the words you will learn today. I have a lot of time, so we're going, and also very compact. So this is good for skin cancer and other things like that. We're following the security guy. The boat is rocking. You can see many cranes. The grocery store, right? My laundry. So I like Korean fried chicken because, so take a look at the scene. Let's get started. You can see on my bed here, I have my socks and a bandana. And I have already made my bed this morning. I'm gonna put my socks on and then I will head out with my brother. So before I head out this morning, I'm gonna wash my face and put on sunscreen. I'm not gonna have a shower because we are kind of in a rush. We're in a rush. That means we don't have a lot of time. So we're going somewhere and we are in a rush. So I'm gonna wash my face, moisturize it, put sunscreen, and then we'll go. Now I'm washing my face. And now I'm gonna dry my face with this small microfiber towel. Microfiber is a type of material and it's very soft on the skin and also very compact. So this is good for traveling. Now I have my moisturizer. I'm gonna apply my moisturizer on my skin. Want to understand more English faster? Get my 3,000 most common English words PDF with clear definitions, real examples, and simple organization. So I wasn't recording there, but I was just saying that this is my sunscreen. I'm gonna squeeze some of the sunscreen on the tip of my finger here. Now I have sunscreen on the tip of my middle finger, and now I'm gonna rub it together on the tips of my finger and dab it on my face. Dabbing the sunscreen on my face. And now I'm gonna rub the sunscreen in. I'm rubbing it in. And it's really important to put on sunscreen so that you don't burn your face and you don't burn your skin, to avoid skin disease or skin cancer and other things like that. So now that I've rubbed the sunscreen into my face, I think we're ready to go. I just heard Leon. It also sounds like he is ready to go. So now we're gonna head out and we'll show you where we're going. Let's bounce. Let's bounce. That's a really common English expression. Let's bounce. It just means let's go now. But it's like a cool slang way to say it, like Gen Z. Let's bounce. Now I'm in the elevator and I pressed this button, B. I pressed it to go down. This button closes the doors and this button opens the doors. But now I'm heading to the basement to get on my grab bike. Let's go. Okay, so Leon has just arrived on the back of his grab bike, and now we're gonna go over there to the dock to get on our ferry. Let go. So now we are sitting on this bench waiting for our ferry. It's gonna come in about 10 minutes. 10 minutes. So we're waiting for the ferry, and something happened to Leon. So let's listen to Leon's story here. Tell us your story.
Oh, what happened just now?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I booked my grab bike and I went to go meet him, and I noticed he tried to call me, but I was in the elevator. All right, so
Anyway.
Yeah, so he tried to call me, but I was in the elevator.
Okay, anyway.
He tried to call me, but I was in the elevator and there's no reception in the elevator, so obviously I didn't try to pick up. So I go out and I open the gate and I see him standing there. So I was going outside the gate and then I saw the driver, so I walked up to him, I said hello, and he looked at me. I looked at his phone and he didn't see my name there. So I was like, oh, what the heck? Maybe this is not my driver. Then I pull out my phone and it said, your driver. When I saw that he arrived there, so I'm like, this guy canceled right in front of me and then he just drove away. I was like, what the heck? And it said something like suspicious issue or something, like his reasoning for it. It's probably because I didn't pick up the phone, but I can't answer the phone anyway on the elevator. So he didn't even have to wait. He waited like maybe 30 seconds.
Now we're gonna board the boat here. We're following the security guy.
Did I ever tell you about these plants?
Yep.
They're like one of the fastest growing plants in the world.
Yeah, I think you told me about that in a previous video, that they grow really fast. We're walking on this artificial grass, this nice green artificial grass, and the river is very brown. This right here is the dock where the boat comes and docks. Okay, so we've just got on the water bus, or the water boat, or the water ferry, or the boat, whatever you want to call it. Now we're on the river. Right now we are passing underneath this bridge. Underneath this bridge. Now you can see the boat is rocking. The boat is rocking. There are probably waves on the river, causing the boat to rock. Okay, we just got off the water bus. Now we're walking on this dock to Lindong Station. This on the side here is railing to keep us from falling into the river. And the railing looks freshly painted and it's white. The floor we are walking on is made out of metal and it is also painted. And this right here is the gate. They close this so no one goes in. And now we're at the last station. This area is a lot busier than the other station. Yeah. They have a cafe here and it's a lot busier. A lot of people are enjoying, I guess, the river view. This is an outdoor cafe. Many people are sitting on chairs and relaxing. Some people are drinking, talking, and looking around. There are trees, tables, chairs, and a small cafe counter. A woman is holding a child on the right side. The weather looks sunny and warm. The cafe is under a roof so people can sit in the shade. This outdoor cafe looks busy but comfortable. Some people are sitting with friends while others are walking through the area. The chairs are low and the tables are small, so the place feels casual. There are many trees around the cafe, which makes the area feel fresh and peaceful. A mother is carrying her child and a man in a green hoodie is walking nearby. People are enjoying their drinks and spending time together. This scene shows a relaxed outdoor seating area at a cafe or small food court. Many customers are sitting under the shade, drinking cold drinks, chatting with friends, or resting in the afternoon. The open space, trees, and covered roof make the place feel comfortable even on a sunny day. Some people are standing near the counter while others are walking between the tables. Want more practice? Get the workbook for this lesson on my website and review the vocabulary, grammar, and real English from this video. Over there in the distance, you can see many cranes and also shipping containers. That looks to be like a port. And behind the port, it looks like there is an apartment building. There are also many boats on the water, and you can see these barges are transporting cranes. That is the ferry we were just on, that ferry right there. And down there, you can see another ferry. I believe that one just takes you from one side of the river to the other. You can see people are getting off the ferry, and I believe it's probably just for motorcycles. They probably came from that side over to this side, and the easiest way to cross is with a ferry. Okay, so we're now heading back. They just scanned our tickets here. Pass the ticket, please. So yeah, they just scanned the QR code here, 2 tickets, and now we're heading back to our area. We're gonna head back, probably get something to eat, go to the gym, and do some more stuff at home. So we'll start heading back now. Okay, so we just got back. We got off the boat. Now we're gonna go back to the apartment and probably order some lunch to eat. And I also need to have a shower and do some other things. So I'll see you guys at that apartment. And as always, guys, there will be a shadowing segment at the very end of the video. So make sure you watch till the end. Let's head back home now. Okay, guys, I just got back from the gym. I went to the gym and Leon went to the grocery store, right? Yeah, he went to the grocery store. I'm not really sure what he bought. What did you buy?
Just something to drink.
So he said he bought just some stuff to drink.
Yeah.
Let's see what he bought. Oh yeah. I can see he bought a pack of 6-pack of Coke Zero. Low-key, I like Coke Zero. Tastes good and 0 calories. But yeah, I just got back from the gym. I'm like pretty sweaty right now, but the apartment is nice and cool because we have AC in here and also a fan right there. So the apartment is nice and cool. So it's not hot, it's cool. But I'm gonna go have a shower now. I shaved yesterday, so I'm not gonna shave today, but I will go have a shower and then probably eat something. I think I'll have a smoothie or something. I stopped at a restaurant on the way back and I got broken rice, which is like one of my favorite meals to get here. But yeah, now I'm gonna go have a shower. I'll see you guys after my shower. Okay guys, so I'm back home now and low-key, I forgot to show you guys what I had for lunch. So I'll just tell you instead. I had Filipino food, it was barbecue chicken with rice and some vegetables and I think some like soy sauce or something. But this is all that's left. It's the one thing I didn't throw out. But it was very good. My brother recommended it to me and I ordered it and it is very good. I like Filipino food. It really like matches my taste buds a lot. But now I'm gonna open the bathroom door and take my laundry out, my laundry. So I washed all my whites here. I'm gonna bring it to my bed and fold it. So now I'm gonna grab all my laundry here. I also washed my towels. And yeah, it's mostly my socks, boxers, and towels. But yeah, let's fold this laundry now. So now I'm going to put my socks right side out and then fold them. And you can see this is my bath towel and my boxers as well. So let me fold all of this stuff. Now I'm not sure what Leon wants to eat for dinner. Let's go ask him because I didn't show you guys what I had for lunch. So I should show you what I have for dinner. Yo, what do you want for dinner?
Dinner?
Or did you already eat?
I had lunch around 11, so...
Wait, what did you have for lunch?
I got some stuff at the grocery store.
You want pizza?
Pizza?
Do they have 2 for 1?
Maybe.
He says he lost 50 pounds. Yo, write in the comments if you believe that. Yo, what are you working on?
Yo, I'm working on my channel right now. I just started. I'm going to be posting once a week if you guys want to check it out.
I'll be posting my shadowing stories on my second channel, Volka. And I've also started posting these videos as podcasts. We're deciding on what we should get for dinner. So let me give Leon a mic so you guys can hear him. I have the mic here. Okay, what did you want to have for dinner?
What's that Korean chicken you had that one time? That was pretty good.
Korean fried chicken?
Yeah.
I'm not against that. Korean fried chicken, that is really good. One of my favorites, honestly. I love Korean fried chicken. My favorite is the red sauce one, which is like the original flavor. Not plain, but the original red sauce one. I don't know what it's called.
Gochujang sauce.
No, it's not called that.
Isn't that one of the flavors though?
Yeah, gochujang chicken, but I don't think that's what it's called. I think they put gochujang in the sauce to make it, but I don't think that's the name of it. I could be wrong though. If you guys know, let me know in the comments.
Why do you like Korean fried chicken though?
I like Korean fried chicken because they have a lot of different sauces and good flavors. I tried a BHC chicken in Korea and I was like a spicy soya sauce, sweet flavor or something. Man, that was good because I love spicy food and like sweet together, and it was really good.
Wow.
But yeah, so I guess we'll have that for dinner and that's what we'll show you guys. And remember, at the end of the video, we'll have another shadowing practice. So stick around till the end. I'll see you guys then. Okay guys, as promised, I will show you what we got for dinner. Open it up.
This thing was heavy. I was like,
Oh yeah.
how much chicken?
This is just like a full portion. There's 2 sides, but this is really good. This is
same then.
sweet and spicy, and this is soy garlic with rice
chili?
cakes. Yep, but it's not spicy. But this is what we've got for dinner. And then on the side here, we also have some radish, a Coke, and then one other thing, which I'm not sure exactly what it is. But we are having dinner together. We don't have dinner together every night because we eat different things at different times. But I would say a couple times out of the week we do. You can have that. I have my other one in the fridge. Leon's putting the Coke in the fridge to, well, I guess I'll drink this then since I already drank all my Coke. I low-key need to buy more. Anyway, we're gonna have our final shadowing segment of the day as promised here. So take a look at the scene and let's get started. This is a table with food and drinks. There is a box of chicken in the middle of the table. There are also cups, sauce, a bottle of soda, fruit, glasses, and plastic bags. The table is black and shiny. The food looks hot and sweet. Someone is going to eat the chicken soon. The room looks simple, quiet, and clean. There is a lot of takeout food on the table. The chicken is inside a cardboard box and there are small cups of sauce beside it. A bottle of soda is standing near the back of the table. Some fruit and spices are also on the table, so maybe someone bought food for a meal at home. The table is long and there are chairs around it. It looks like the people are getting ready to eat together. This scene shows a casual meal set up on a dining table. In the center, there is an open box of fried chicken covered with sauce, while several side dishes and drink containers are placed around it. The plastic bags, disposable cups, and cardboard packaging suggest that the food was ordered for takeout rather than cooked at home. Although the table looks a little messy, the scene feels realistic and familiar because many people eat like this after a busy day. Okay, now let's eat, guys. I'll take out my can of Coke Light, and we'll eat this. Enjoy it. And yeah, if you guys like this video and like this style, I'll be posting videos like this every single Tuesday in my old vlog style. And every Friday will be my new style, or will be a 50 action verbs video, or another video you guys suggest with my good camera. So if you like these videos, make sure to check out every Tuesday on my channel and every Friday. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye. Want more English practice? Join my Patreon for extra lessons, speaking practice, and more ways to improve every week.